YouTube friends. Today I am back with yet another video on how to make chili right at home in your pressure cooker. So to begin, we're going to use about 20 ounces of pinto beans, and these have already been rinsed, so it's a bowl full of it. Look at it that way. Also, I have 1 pound of seasoned beef. We're going to use a tomato sauce, black pepper, garlic minced, paprika, and salt. So here I have half of a tomato, half of an onion, half a tablespoon of salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic. So it's pretty easy. And of course your cheese you'll add in at the very end, which is at your liking. Same thing with the salt, that is at your personal preference. Once you try it, you can go with whatever works for you. Is add in our pinto beans. And again, these have been rinsed out already. So to that, I already have my water in the pressure cooker. And that's 9 full cups in. Okay, so just halfway over the actual beans is enough water here. And with this, okay, to this we're going to add all of our ingredients. Okay, so going in, and this should only take about 20 minutes maximum. We're going to set it to pressure. Into the bean setting it goes. Medium, and then push once again, and that'll do its thing. Meanwhile, we will go ahead and cook the seasoned beef. You can already see the ground beef coming together and cooking away. Guys, this is really a quick and easy weeknight dinner. It takes no time at all, and it's super easy, and the kids love it too. So definitely will become a favorite. Okay, so our beef is done. This smells so good. This on its own can be eaten as a just a taco. This makes another, great weeknight meal. Ground beef taco night. It doesn't even have to be Taco Tuesday. Okay, so I'm going to let the beans finish cooking, and then I'll get that all incorporated. And so here we are 20 minutes later, and some of the beans do not look all the way cooked for me at all. So I am going to set it on medium again for 20 minutes. Take two, guys. After putting this to cook for another 20 minutes at medium, this is finally ready for us to incorporate the rest of our ingredients. So I'm ready to add in that ground beef. And then we're going to add in that tomato sauce. Again, you can either use the tomato sauce or the diced tomatoes and skip out on adding the real tomatoes, but for me, it's better to add in the real thing. So going in with a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, just all the way around, and I'm going to let this simmer. And I'm going to set this on a saute within that pressure cooker. That looks good already. Okay. I'm going in the saute mode, and then I'll just be setting this to beef just to get all the flavors to come together. And that's it. I'm going to set it to medium, close it with my lid, and let it finish cooking. Everything is still simmering away, but just a reminder, if you don't see kidney beans, you can definitely add in the canned kidney beans or the ones to boil, and those you can set at the same time with the pinto bean. Just my personal preference. I don't care very much for kidney beans, but that is optional. 15 minutes after our chili is finished, go ahead and try and pair it with cheese and saltine crackers. It's an easy dinner night meal. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more recipes and videos. Bye, guys.